Hello, Sandwich fans, Sandwich Dad, and Sandwich Lad here. I wasn't going to make a video today, but then I had an idea. I was actually going to have some dollar store pho instead of a sandwich today. But then I realized I still had a bit of leftover roast pork from the roast pork sandwich I made. A little bit of bacon jam left over as well. And I always have some ham on hand. And so I figured I could clean out the fridge and make a Cubano with bacon jam at the same time. Win-win. So what I'm going to do is just take the end of this bakery French bread. Despite the lad's objections, I shall split that in twain. I'm going to use up all my bacon jam on one side, some Keen's hot mustard on the other. I'm out of Swiss cheese, but I do have some nice cave-aged gruyere from my friends at the Cultured Fine Cheese Shop in Whitehorse. So we're going to put that on both sides. Next, we can start putting on our roast pork, some deli ham, and of course, a couple of pickles. Combine, and then we'll give it over to George Foreman here in the lean, mean, fat-reducing grilling machine. All right. Back over to the cutting board. Cut diagonally. And reveal. You said it, boy. That's a nice-looking Cuban. All right. Time for the taste test. I'm definitely very glad I thought of it. This is Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Lad. Woo!